This is the Bananalogue Programmer Sequencer. It's a preset manager, programmer, analog sequencer module inspired by the Serge Programmer that was published in the 1977 in Synapse magazine under the pseudonym Arpad Beneres. It's an 2 HP wide module, very slim. This is the power entry. And it also combines functions found in the 5-step sequencer and preset voltage sections of the Buchla Music Easel. The module has 5 columns, each with a push button and LED indicator, a gate input, gate output, and then 4 parameter potentiometers. The potentiometers feed in a row to these outputs, A, B, C, and D. And then those outputs are accessed by either using the push buttons, a column gate input, or by using the sequencer forward or backwards gain inputs. The concept of a preset manager or programmer in an analog synthesizer is pretty simple. Basically, we are giving ourselves access instantly to 4 preset parameters. Imagine, for instance, I was using this as the ADSR and are sending these out to a voltage-controlled ADSR. I could instantly select, 5 completely different values for my envelope. So if I was doing a live set, for instance, and I wanted to quickly change parameters, I could set this to be like tuning of the oscillator, the cutoff frequency, portamento, stuff like that. So without changing patches, I could very quickly select, 5 completely different scenarios here. The sequencer is kind of just like a bonus. I could, automate that sorting of presets then. I put the Mordax data into voltage monitor mode. And now we'll look at the output here. So row A, we're on step 5. So if I adjust the potentiometer for A5, you'll see that the voltage up here is going to go from 0 to 10 volts. Here I'm going to use a LFO output to show you how the step sequencer works. It just has 2 inputs, a forward step and a backward step. We're at a sequence. We're going to take a control voltage out from channel A. In addition to the gate outputs and the ABCD outputs, there's also a common button gate output. This will remain high as long as a button is pushed. There's also a step trigger output. This will give you a short trigger every time the column is changed. It will not re-trigger if the same column is activated over and over. It will only give you a burst when there's a change in column. That's it for the Bananalogue Programmer Sequencer. It's a pretty simple module, very powerful, and I'm sure you'll come up with many uses for it.